Oh, baby. All right, hit number 12. Yep, and watch it. My baby operating this trailer. Little car hauler. Look at her go. Go, boo, go. Keep on going. You got to keep on going from 12 to 11 to 10. So go back to 10 or go to 11. Either one you want. Remember, you gotta watch. Watch what it do. Look at my baby making it happen. Keep on pulling it down. You want to make it go all the way down. Come on. Look at Train on the car hauling. That's dropping them ramps, dropping them decks. All right, go to number 11. All the way down to the stop. Go to the touch. All right, do number 12. The back. Watch the back while you're doing it. Want to take it all the way to the bottom. All the way down. All the way. Good job. Hit number 10. Both. Gotta watch it. All the way down. Can't go no more? Good. Try it, test it. Good. It's done. Yay! Oh, baby, little car hauler. I see you. Ah, shout out. Say, I can do this. That's right. You can do anything you want to do.